the cockatoo that helped solve a murder. Location: Los Angeles, California, USA. In 2001, a tragic and unexpected series of events unfolded when a cockatoo named Bird was killed while protecting its owner from intruders. The owners, devastated by the loss, never imagined that their beloved bird's DNA would become key evidence in solving a murder. Investigators discovered DNA from Bird's feathers and beak that was matched to Daniel Torres, a former employee of the household. This DNA match provided crucial evidence and led to Torres's conviction for the murder. The case is a testament to how pet DNA, even from a bird, can be a critical tool in solving crimes and delivering justice.